Architecture isn't just about floor plans, it's how design shapes the way you live, move, perform, and grow. Most people think that as long as it looks good, it's done. But that's not what architecture really is. It's about how your home holds your peace or steals it. How your child feels safe to grow or ends up overstimulated and anxious. How your family bonds over dinner or drifts apart in disconnected zones. How your business space tells your clients, you're serious, you're ready, you're built for success. That's not just layout. That's architecture shaping your life. We don't just design to make things look nice. We design to reflect your lifestyle and your business, to make you feel safe, to bring you and your loved ones real peace and joy. In the Philippines, architecture is a licensed profession under the PRC, governed by RA 9266. We are legally accountable for your space's safety, compliance, and integrity. Don't wait until a space feels wrong to call an architect. Bring us in early, while everything is still possible.
Let's realize your dream space. I'm Architect Naboa, your interior architecture specialist. And if you're ready on taking the next steps on realizing your dream spaces of well-being, prestige, and legacy wealth, send us a message. And if you like this video, follow us for more.